Listen, I ain't nothing. I'm gon' shine, yeah, I'm gon' shine, yeah, I'm gon' shine, yeah, I'm gon' shine, yeah, I'm gon' shine. I don't care what you say.
Brown, we are back today, and right now we're about to what?
We're about to buy our first house.
We're about to purchase our first house today. We are the Browns Forever. It's our very first house. I'm 25.
I'm 25.
We here, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? It's MMVR, that's the label. This is my beautiful wife. We the Browns Forever.
Yeah, this is our biggest purchase of 2020 and our whole life, actually. So we're just excited to bring you guys along.
And our baby.
Baby Brown.
You know, we here.
Yeah, we at the law office. You can
they peppering us water right now at the office. You know what I'm saying?
Serious, when you're making big purchases, they gotta treat you with the, like,
you know what I'm saying? Come with us.
So we're going in to make our biggest purchase now. So everything you need to sign is there.
Okay.
That check on top is your earnest money deposit. That is the money that you put down when you made the offer, and it was used towards the amount you needed for closing today. So you're going to flip that over and endorse it. And those are unused ink pens, so they're brand new, and I ask that you take them with you once you're done. Okay, perfect. And then just make a pile. Yep.
Okay.
And then that next form is a walkthrough form. You're going to sign as the purchaser at the bottom, showing you accept the property in its condition. It's the property. Settlement agent is Pam. Place the settlements here, and we're closing today. Sales price plus your closing. And then the closing costs. 351 are itemized on page 2. Questions? I know that I had sent you so you could just sign at the bottom. And then page 3 of that also carries signature lines showing you reviewed the document and the rest of the knowledge is accurate. The next form is an authorization. This is saying that we're allowed to share the paperwork with Harvey Goodman Realty and Christine Roberts, your agent. So if you could just sign at the bottom there. And then the last one talks about owner's title insurance. It is being declined. We did do a title search on the property for you. It is clear we wouldn't be sitting here. So you're going to sign a date down the bottom. Alright, and that is all that you needed to sign, just a couple of items. The keys are in there, that is a gift from Chris. Your taxes, the seller has paid their portion up through today. They credit that to you. Correct. The bills come out next month. I don't know if you're familiar with how they work in West Virginia. It'll be your tax bill to pay in full. Okay. The whole year, because the seller gave you their portion, they credited you. Okay. So the end of the next month, call me. I can get it for you. Okay. I'm gonna make a quick copy of this, and then I'll let you go. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, guys, that was us signing the deed over to our new house.
Yes. I got the keys, the keys, the keys. I got the keys, the keys, the keys.
You're welcome. And our number's there in case you have any questions you leave here. If you know something you didn't think about, give me a call.
All right. Thank you so much.
We're able to go to the house.
You're welcome.
You have a wonderful one. Thanks so much for making this so easy.
You too. Get.
We just did it, y'all. We have a house.
Raining, it's all good. It's money.
Good, lucky day.
It's all good.
Rain is good, y'all.
Yeah, I thank God. I thank everybody. I thank Allah. I thank family. I thank friends. I thank everyone for making me a better person. I thank everyone who let me learn from them. Everyone who made me a better person. I thank everybody, everyone. Thank you, God. Thank you, Allah. Thank you, everyone. Bless up.
What you say, Mo? It's our house. About to go ahead and see the house. We just finished with our lawyers.
You are there every time I make an important decision.
Yeah, we like sharing it with you guys because you guys are a big part of our lives, you know? We just like having you guys, and we waited this long because we wanted it to be surprise for everybody. We haven't told Mom or, you know, Machina yet. We haven't told anybody. So this is actually like the first time, you guys are the first to know. Like always, whenever we make big decisions, guess who's there? Holly and Mohammed. How y'all feel about that? Good? Y'all excited to see our house? Yeah. It's crazy because, you know, the day we were coming back from, what do you call it, Kentucky? We went past the house. Y'all remember? Y'all probably don't remember. We're so excited to share with you guys. We're so excited to share with our family because we wanted to make sure everything was good and on point before we, you know, got too excited. We've been working on this for months now, right? About 2-3 months, 2.5 months, maybe almost going to 3 months. But it's a wonderful, exciting journey, and we'll go ahead and give you guys a tour of our house. So stay tuned. We're about to go give Holly and Mohammed a tour. You guys excited about the tour? I'm so excited. Our first house. How you feel, bro?
I feel good. Don't feel real.
I know. Until we go inside and see it, open it with our keys and stuff. No, it's just, it don't feel real at all. We're so excited. How y'all feel? Y'all excited for us? Huh? Yeah. Why you have to wait for Mohammed's answer? Something for mouth like a squirrel. But guys, thank you guys for being here with us to see this exciting moment, sharing with us. We'll go ahead and give you guys a tour of the house in the next video. So stay tuned for more Brands Forever.
MMVR the label.
And we're out. Have a good one. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Bye.